closet too? You want to go in the closet?
You gonna shut the door?
You want to go in the closet?
You wanna come out first, Brady?
He doesn't care.
Oh,
Oh,
There's
now
the
that's
door
gonna
stopper.
distract us. Where's Brady? I wonder where Brady is.
Let's find
Where's
Brady.
Brady? There he is. There he is.
let him in.
Careful. Shut. That's right. Shut.
Just gotta do it gentle. Say knock knock. Anybody home?
Where's Brady?
You want to go in there, Austin?
There he is.
Austin, you want to go hide?
Go in
You
there,
want to go
bud.
hide? You want to go hide with your friends?
Is that fun, Mason? Oh.
Look, you want to go hide?
Careful. Okay,
Wanna
Brady,
go
we're
hide
gonna
in
shut the
there?
door. We'll be right back.
No, where'd Brady go? Go find
Knock
Brady.
knock.
Go find
Anybody
Brady.
home?
Oh.
Brady.
There he is. Oh. Mason, this is a great game.
Got the doggy.
Who needs toys when we have coats in a closet? In a dark closet.
He's gonna wiggle and clap.
You're gonna play with doggy now?
Well, give him the chair. There you go. Look at that. He's clapping.
No, he's not.
He's not clapping. Is he wiggling?